Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, the local namespace is a set of variables and objects that are defined within a particular function or scope. You can modify the local namespace by creating, updating, or deleting variables within that scope. This tutorial will show you how to manipulate the local namespace in Python with code examples. To add variables to the local namespace, you simply need to define them within the function or scope. Here's an example. In this example, x and y are added to the local namespace of the modify_local_namespace function. Attempting to access these variables outside of the function will result in a name error because they are not defined in the global namespace. You can update variables in the local namespace by reassigning new values to them within the function. Here's an example. In this example, we first add x and y to the local namespace, and then we update their values within the function. When we access these variables after the update, we see their new values. You can delete variables from the local namespace using the del statement. Here's an example. In this example, we add x and y to the local namespace and then delete the x variable using the del statement. Attempting to access the x variable after it has been deleted will result in a name error. Remember that the local namespace is limited to the scope of the function or block where the variables are defined. Variables in the local namespace are not accessible from outside that scope unless explicitly returned from the function. This tutorial has covered the basics of how to modify the local namespace in Python by adding, updating, and deleting variables. Understanding how the local namespace works is essential for writing clean and organized code in Python. ChatGPT